So what's up, guys? It's me again with another short video. Today we're gonna talk about these three utility knives, but to be more specific about this one right here, that I think this is a great utility knife for the price, for the quality, and it's made out of titanium. And look at all those parts that come with the knife. I mean, that's pretty cool. If you lose a screw, if you lose, like a spacer, I don't know. So that's pretty cool. Let's take a look at it more close. So this is a flipper. This is from Exceed Designs. Made out of titanium, like I said. It's well made. I mean, there's not much rattle. Then you push here. Of course, it's pretty stiff. Comes out. It's not that easy doing this through camera. I don't want to cut myself. Holy moly. Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay. Now the only downside that I see, or that it has been happening to me every time I get off or in my vehicle, the pocket clip will catch the steering wheel. Not all the time, but most of the time. Now it's a pretty strong clip because I don't see that it's bent or damaged or anything like that. So I guess that's good. Now, see all the parts that come included for the price. I think you can't beat that. Now this is pretty hard to get right now, but you might be lucky enough and find this knife used. This is also how you take it out. You push that and comes in. Has 3 stops. 1, 2, and 3. Now open all the way. Okay. Now this one, this is also from Chaves. This is micarta on one side, titanium, and it has the micarta. Also a flipper. This is pretty cool. What I like about the Chaves knives is the pocket clip. Also, it's like a very aggressive looking knife. That's what I like about it. And also the jimping is pretty aggressive. It's kind of, sharp on the sides. The things that I don't like about this one is that because this is sharp, very squared, it will catch your pants all the time. You try to, clip this knife into your pants. This will catch your pants as is going in your pocket. It will catch it and it will get stuck. Or when you try to pull the knife out, it will catch your pants and it will get stuck. That's something that I really didn't like. I hate that. Happens a lot, but I mean, still I like the design. Like I said, is looks pretty aggressive, good looking also. See those cutouts? Well, that's where you push, and that's how you take your blade out. This is a lot easier to get in and out than the Exceed designs. Now, the thing on this one is that rattles a lot more. Okay. Now, the thing that I also like a lot is that this clip and this, they're the same, of course. They never catch anything when I'm close to, other cars, or maybe when I'm close to, or when I get in and out of my vehicle. This won't catch the steering wheel. um, I mean, that's what I like also, that doesn't catch anything. um, Now, of course, this is a beast right here. It's twice the thickness of this knife. You know, I don't know if you can see how tall it is, but let me close this up here so you can see. So there you go, guys. That's these three warriors. They're pretty cool. So, okay. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.